Today we're diving into one of the most mysterious and ancient creatures that has ever existed on our planet, the moon jellyfish. It has no brain, no heart, no eyes, no bones. Its body is 95% water, and yet, this simple, almost invisible creature has survived every single mass extinction our planet has ever seen. For over 500 million years, while dinosaurs rose and fell, while continents shifted, while entire ecosystems collapsed, the moon jellyfish just kept drifting. In this video, we'll explore how it moves without muscles, how it hunts without a brain, and why scientists around the world believe it may hold the secret to something humans have searched for throughout history: biological immortality. If you're new here, this channel is dedicated to the hidden world beneath the waves. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Now, let's dive in. A leatherback rises from below, jaws open. The jellyfish does not react. No brain, no pain. This story begins 70 days earlier. A larva, a rock. A female medusa has spawned, 50,000 eggs released. Microscopic, oval, covered in cilia, spinning through the water. 24 hours of searching. One specific surface. Nothing else will do. She lands, she attaches. Free-swimming life, over. 0.5 millimeter tall, 16 tentacles, a mouth in the center. A copepod drifts close. Nematocysts fire, paralyzed in 3 seconds. A lateral bud appears beside her. A clone. The colony has begun. 8 polyps, all feeding. The rock, living architecture. A nudibranch finds the colony. 2 polyps consumed, the others unaware. 6 survivors, still budding. 14 now, colonial mathematics. Water temperature drops to 8 degrees. Tentacles retract, feeding stops. A protective cyst forms around each polyp. It can survive freezing. Spring, 12 degrees. The cysts dissolve, as if winter never happened. 14 degrees. A chemical cascade begins. Strobilation is starting. Horizontal rings appear along the column, like a stack of coins. 8 segments, each one a future jellyfish. The top segment separates, 1 millimeter. Any Ephyra swims free. All 8 release within 24 hours. 8 new lives, 1 polyp stem. The stalk remains, not dead. It will produce thousands more. 1 millimeter, 8-pointed star. Learning to pulse. 4 of the 8 consumed by dawn. At 1 millimeter, they are prey. First prey, a single diatom cell. 1 millimeter hunting 0.02.
The Ephyra, day 50. The star-to-bell transition is underway.
12 kilometers from her origin, she has no awareness of this. A larval fish takes 40% of one arm. It regenerates in 48 hours. 3 millimeters, bell 60% formed. 3 millimeters of future, sinking slowly. tentacles trailing like a net, 500 million years old. 5 millimeters. 4 faint gonad marks. A swarm of her own kind, same water. No recognition, no connection. Salinity drops. She contracts slightly. 8 millimeters. The star has become the bell. A rotifer, 0.1 millimeters. Nematocysts, oral arms, downward mouth. She is not the jellyfish that was taken. 3 centimeters to the left, unaware. 40 pulses per minute. No brain, just one program. Pulse. 8 ropalia at the bell margin. Balance, light, chemistry. No eyes. 12 millimeters. 4 vivid gonads. Carrying the next generation without knowing. A tidal reversal pushes her back. She did not choose to be saved. 15 millimeters. A copepod bloom. 6 hours of continuous feeding. 3 millimeters of growth in 1 day. She can double in 48 hours. Does the moon jellyfish age? The polyp can revert. Aging solved differently. She pulses away, not by decision, random direction, accidental survival. 20 millimeters. Bell fully circular. 4 violet-pink gonads. Complete, 180 kilometers from her origin. She does not know it exists. She pulses along the thermocline. Warm above, cold below. She stays above. Anchovies part around her. She parts the sea like a slow, transparent ship. A male detects her chemical signal. Sperm released into the water column. Neither individual aware. The next cycle begun. The leatherback closes in, and the jellyfish pulses. She has already spawned, the cycle already underway. 70 days, 6 forms, 1 ocean. She pulses. She has always pulsed. From 1 millimeter to 22 centimeters. A new strobilation on the rock wall. 7 days until new ephyrae swim free. 500 million tons of jellyfish biomass, more than all fish combined. Around her, ephyrae, adults, dying. The full life cycle in 1 water parcel. Bioluminescent plankton illuminates her bell, lit from inside by her own prey. The 1.3 seconds. The gonads, last thing visible. Her planulae are already on a rock wall. The individual ends. The cycle does not. 70 days, 6 biological forms. The most successful zooplankton on Earth. Somewhere, a planula lands. The cycle has no beginning. It has no end. 70 days, from a grain of tissue to a pulsing bell in the ocean. It does not know it is extraordinary. That has never been a requirement.